it's Marla Meridith. Welcome. Today we are going to be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk makeup collection. So who is Charlotte Tilbury? She's a British makeup artist and she's worked on tons of celebs, supermodels. She's created a look with her iconic Pillow Talk collection, sort of shimmery nudes, glowing. They make you look absolutely beautiful. You can dial up the look or dial it down, just depending upon what you're looking for. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you what my daily makeup routine looks like, and I've certainly started including this collection into my everyday look. I absolutely love it. The collection came to me in this lovely box. What comes inside the collection is this Cheek to Chic Swish and Glow blush. Very beautiful. You get like a nice little bronzy glow. Perfect for summer, especially for those of us who need a sunless glow. It's absolutely beautiful. This 5-star mascara, I was a little scared to try it because I'm pretty hooked on the Dior Show mascara. And I have to tell you, it says curl, separation, volume, length, and drama. And it does all that. And you can just keep applying it a little bit more to get even more drama. I find it stays on real good, doesn't flake, and the brush is great for really getting in there, okay? Next, we have the Luxury Palette of Pops, and that is the color-coded eyeshadow. She makes it really easy to figure out how to get the Pillow Talk look. There's a lip luster, a gorgeous Pillow Talk lip gloss. I'm gonna take this absolutely everywhere I go. And the iconic Pillow Talk Diamonds lipstick color. Again, absolutely gorgeous, gives you a little sparkle to your lips. Then we have the Reshape and Resize Lip Cheat Lip Liner. Absolutely gorgeous, super sort of subtle. I fill in my entire lips with it, and then I add my color over that. Okay, let's get started. I never start the day without some awesome sunscreen. I'm a huge fan of the Supergoop SPF 40. 100% mineral matte sunscreen. It's got a slight tint to it. It's perfect. It goes beautifully under your foundation, and you're saving your face when you wear sunscreen, let's face it. Gotta do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on, okay? And as you can see, it goes on beautiful. It's super matte, right? Isn't it funny the faces we make when we put on makeup? It's pretty creepy. Okay, bring it down my neck. Don't forget the ears. Okay, look at that. It's awesome. Super matte, I absolutely love it. Okay, I haven't tried the Charlotte Tilbury foundations yet. Please let me know if you have, because I'll absolutely give it a whirl. I hear her primers are awesome too. Now for me, I'm absolutely obsessed with the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's super matte, I don't break out from it, and it lays beautiful under makeup. I use color number 150. This is from the Pro Filter collection. Okie dokie. As far as powder goes, again, I'm with Fenty Beauty and I use Pro Filter Butter Color. It's just super light, kills any shine. We can add that back in with some shimmer. I don't like an oily complexion. Do you wanna take me back? Okay, now we're gonna get started putting on the Pillow Talk makeup collection. Let's go ahead and get those cheeks looking all colorful. Here's her Cheek to Chic blush. Absolutely gorgeous. For my brows, I love the Anastasia Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo. Looks like that. Got the Gimme Brow by Benefit just to kind of keep everything in place. I love how tiny it is too. Now let's go ahead and roll into the eyes. This is the Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops. So we have 4 colors here. We've got the Prime, Enhance, Pop, and Smoke, okay? Let's go ahead and try them on. have it, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk collection. Took about maybe 5 minutes to put on, super easy. What I absolutely love is these pieces are simple to fit in a little makeup bag. You can easily travel with them. They're really all you need to get through the day and night looking your best. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name is Marla Meridith. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be the first to see my posts.